Hi everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. This week we're going to be making what I call pink pasta. It's a tomatoey cheesy sauce to go over some pasta. If you guys know the proper name for this, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have the ingredients. Now this is to make a big pan of pasta. This pasta you can use in lunches, that sort of thing. It'll keep a day or two in the fridge. So what have we got? Well, I'm using penne pasta. I've got a kilo bag or 2.2 pounds of pasta here. I've got 5 rashers of smoked bacon chopped up. I've got 3 cloves of garlic there chopped up. I've got some salt and pepper here for seasoning. I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes, and I've got some mascarpone cheese. I've got 500 grams or about 18 ounces of mascarpone cheese here, and of course a little olive oil for cooking in. So let's get the pasta on. I've got a pan over there boiling ready. We'll put the pasta on and then we'll start making the rest of the sauce. We've got the pan, boiling water here. Let's put the pasta in. According to the packet, this pasta will take about 11 minutes to cook. Put that in. I'll let that come back to the boil and simmer, and then I'll start the timer. Got the pan here, a little bit of olive oil in there, heating up. Let's get the bacon in there. And let that fry up for a few minutes. There we can see now the bacon's fried up there nicely. I'm going to add in the chopped garlic. And just fry that off for a minute or two. Just moving it around. We don't want the bacon crispy unless you want crispy bacon in this, but you want it just cooked so it's just gone that sort of light pink colour. And you get the smell of that bacon and the garlic. Now you could at this point as well, if you want, add some mixed herbs into it. If you want that sort of flavour in it. I don't particularly like it, herbs in this, so up to you, something you can try. So what I will do is give a couple of grinds of pepper and just a little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt because the bacon does have salt in it. Give that a mix around. So I'll continue to let that fry for another minute. It's been frying now for a couple of minutes. You can see the garlic is going that lovely golden brown colour. Now we just take the mascarpone and dump it in. Bring it in and move this around so it melts and mixes in the bacon. You see the pasta is bubbling away nicely. I've set the timer on it. So when that timer's go off, we'll just test the pasta to make sure it's done. And I'll show you how you do that. So I'll continue letting this melt down. See now, it's all melted down, nice creamy sauce there. We're going to add in the tin of tomatoes now. This is what makes it pink. And just mix that around. Now what you can do, if you think the sauce is a little bit too thick, that it won't coat the pasta, if you grab a mug, take a little bit of the pasta water, and try not to get any pasta in there. Just put a little bit in. You don't need that much. And that'll just help make a much creamier sauce that's going to coat all the pasta. Put the pasta back in there. And there we go. Right, so that's the sauce ready now. I'm just going to turn off the heat. Leave it there so it stays nice and warm. And now we'll wait for pasta to finish. Timer's gone off now on the pasta, just to check it. All you want to do is just get a piece of the pasta, squeeze it against the side with the spoon, and it should just break in half fairly easily. You want pasta to be served what they call al dente, which is just with a slight little bit of bite in it. So that's ready to come off now, so I'll turn off the heat. I'll take it off, drain it, and then we'll mix it with the sauce we've made. So we've got the sauce ready to go. We've got the pasta to the one side here. I've drained it. You want to make sure you drain it really well. And then we're just going to pour that in. So this makes a nice big pot of pasta. You just mix it up now so that sauce coats all the pasta. Serve this up now, or you can wait till it cools down, put it in containers in the fridge. It can be used for lunches or snacks. Say it'll last 1-2 days in the fridge. There, it's all nicely coated now. And there is your pink pasta. It's a bit like a carbonara, but not quite. But it's just a nice tomatoey, cheesy sauce. I say you could add mixed herbs to it if you wanted to. So there we go. So there we go, guys. Pink pasta. Great for an evening meal. Stick it in the fridge. It'll keep for a day or two. You can use it at lunches or for picnics. So if you've been here this long, give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Any questions or comments, put them down below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.